So one of the things one of the cores of my business is I really focus on creating value for my customers so that I can get paid what I get paid. And there are agents that charge more than me, there are agents that charge less than me. I do real well because I focus on the value I create. I don't try to be what I'm not. Don't try to be less than I am. In your business, particular the estate planning, there's really a wide variety of prices, of process, of packages. How do what piece of that do you offer and specialize in that you feel that you create the most value for your prospective customers
Okay.
or clients, I guess, in your terminology?
No, of course, that's fine. So, a wide variety, as mentioned, all encompassing, including attorneys. So, a very important comment for people to identify is that attorneys, like physicians, generally elect to specialize in a particular area on passing the bar examination and then making a determination of the route they're going to take. So, by analogy, physicians will choose a specialty area, but they will never dabble in an area outside
Right.
of that particular medical specialty. Your dermatologist will never show up for an open heart surgery for any reason. Now, will we have attorneys that dabble in certain areas of law, including estate planning?
Yep.
Unfortunately, yes. So
Yep.
I share with everybody that we promote transparency and objectivity. The State Bar of California promotes attorneys to seek specialization in 11 areas under the State Bar that they've determined are more complicated than other areas. Not better, just more technically complicated in several aspects. And they promote a certified specialization. So an attorney may elect to seek a certified specialization by undertaking a second separate bar exam showing experience and educational requirements, recommendations, and so forth to meet that standard. And when a person calls the state bar and says, I have an estate planning issue or question, or a family law issue, or an immigration issue, these are some of the specialized areas of law, they direct those individuals to their list of certified specialists on the website. So I tell everyone in fairness, an attorney may purport to be an estate planning expert after 2 or 3 decades. Whether they are or are not is unimportant, but whether they have satisfied state bar criteria to qualify, I think matters. So I encourage people, whether they work with us or anyone in this arena, to choose a certified specialist off the state bar website. As far as pricing in general terms, there is an average, of course, for pricing for estate plans in Southern California. I tell people it's commonly between $2,000 and $3,000. And it depends on whether we have a married couple, a single person, how many properties, the customization and complexity. Do they have a business? Do they have pets? Do they have tax considerations? So a multitude of factors go into it. We evaluate each situation on its own merit and then make a determination. Pricing follows, like building a new kitchen, 7 cabinets, 12 cabinets, what are the materials and so on, dictates pricing. Same general idea with estate planning, A, when it's done properly, and B, when it's customized.
Yeah, I see that. Now, I'll say the reason why I do probate real estate, quite frankly, is 90% of the probate cases are handled by attorneys who've done one or less in the last 12 months. And so where there's an efficiency as a realtor, my customer can make some money. So I'm looking for those. The reason I wanted to meet with you today, you were referred by a good colleague of mine, Ed Garcia, but I also checked you out and I noticed that you do have the specialization on on calbar.org. You can search an attorney and see, they're licensed and the status that they've been disciplined, and then also what the specialization is, but also your website. It's all about estate planning. And then I saw you had a YouTube channel explaining key concepts that if I have a customer that comes to you, I want them to understand what they're getting, what they're paying for, what the purpose of it is, and you explain some of those things. I think that's really important that you focus on that area, then you can go deeper in the value you give your customer. I see attorneys all the time. They specialize in bankruptcy, criminal, DUI, wills, probate, family trust, this. Like, really? I specialize in selling real estate. I could sell the Golden Gate Bridge with my license. Doesn't mean I know what the heck I'm doing with bridges. So